Introduce yourself.
My name is Anuja Solanki. I have completed Bachelor of Science from Gujarati Science College with 79%, and I have completed Master of Computer Application from School of Computer Science with a 7.2 pointer.
Okay. What is Python? How to explain it?
Python is a script-based high-level programming language. It has a interpreter programming language, but compiler inbuilt under the interpreter.
Okay. Who developed Python?
Guido van Rossum developed Python.
Okay. Python is an object-oriented language or procedure-oriented language?
Both object-oriented be and procedure-oriented.
Where you will refer object-oriented, where you will refer procedure-oriented approach.
When we use function, that is used, it is a procedure, and when we use class and object, then we use object-oriented.
Suppose that you want to create any desktop applications.
Yes.
Okay, then you will prefer procedure-oriented or object-oriented?
Procedure-oriented.
Okay, where you will prefer object-oriented, which type of project?
When we have a security and reusability concept, then we use object.
Any example? Which type of project security and reusability should be needed?
Employee, like a college project, employee, student.
Means mostly web applications.
Yes,
you can
mostly
say.
web
Network applications.
Network application.
Where multi-users can be accessed.
Yes.
At that applications you will use OODS
Object.
concept. Okay. Python has destructor or not?
Yes, Python is a destructor.
When destructor will be called?
When object not point any reference, then object destructor call. User should not be implicitly called. This call automatically in Python.
I cannot call explicit.
We can call, but if we not call that, if object not point any reference, then automatically deleted.
If I want to call destructor manually, then what is the
Yes.
syntax?
Destructor keyword, I think, then we use.
Suppose that I have one destructor I have created. I want to call this destructor manually in program. Then what syntax I will write? Suppose that the syntax of deleting the object. For example, you are how to delete any object manually. Suppose that you have two objects, obj1 and obj2. I want to delete obj2 object. Then what will be the syntax? You have used del keyword.
Yes, sir, that keyword.
So where it will be used? I think that it is also used to delete the object.
Yes.
Any object you can delete. List object you can delete.
Yes,
Tuple
sir.
object you can delete. Dictionary object you can delete. Okay. And user defined object also you can delete. So I think that their answer is that del. Del keyword is used to delete the object. When you will use del keyword, then destructor will be called automatically. Okay, destructor is implicit called implicit block. Okay, but if you want to implement explicit, then also it is possible. Okay, what is the pickling and unpickling concept in Python?
Pickling is used for byte string to object, and unpickling is used for object to byte string.
Okay, unpickling is used to object to byte. Okay, what is the method for unpickling in Python?
Load and second method.
Dump method, do you know that? Then dump is for pickling or unpickling?
Unpickling.
And load for pickling.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Not sure.
Okay. We can create array in Python or not?
Yes.
Okay. What is the syntax of array?
First we have to import array as ARR, and ARR equals to, in a curly bracket, we have to be defined like T for integer, comma, curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, then we access the array.
ARR, in place of ARR we can write anything else?
Yes, we can.
Okay. What is the data abstraction in Python? How to implement it?
Data abstraction. Data abstraction is used when we want to show essential information and hide some non-essential information, then we use data abstraction.
Okay. How to implement data abstraction practically on Python code? Suppose that I am creating one class A and I want to implement data abstraction. Then how to implement it?
didn't call it.
Public, private, protected.
Yes,
Do you know
sir.
that?
Yes,
How
sir.
to declare public?
Public, if we are not writing anything, that is a public. Private, there is a double underscore, and protected is a single underscore. Single protected use in inheritance and private use in abstraction.
Okay. What is the default scope of class? It is a private, public, or protected.
Public is a default scope.
Okay. What is the self keyword on Python?
Self keyword is used for to define a current object. When we create an instance type, then we have to be write self keyword.
Okay. What is the race keyword in Python?
Race keyword is used when we want to be define our user defined exception. Then we use race keyword.
Okay. How to write binary file on Python?
Binary file on Python. By file handling.
Yes. What is the syntax of it? What is the mode for write binary file?
First f equals to open file name comma w plus.
W plus file, W plus I think that for write read.
Right.
For text file, I am asking about binary file.
Binary, I think B is right.
WB I think.
WB is right.
It's for binary file.
Binary.
What is the difference between text file and binary file?
Binary file is 0 format.
And text file is?
Text file is string format.
Character format.
Character format.
Okay. What is the ASCII code of 1?
ASCII code of 1.
Do you know the range of ASCII code of numeric values? Means 0 to 1. What is the range of 0 to 1?
I don't know, but a capital A, small a, that I know.
What is the ASCII code of capital A?
97.
Capital A.
Capital A. 65 to 97 and a small a 97.
65 to 97, how it is? 26 characters I think there.
91, sir.
97, why you are saying?
Sorry.
Okay. How to check leap year in Python program? What is the condition for leap year?
There is also predefined method also.
Not predefined, I am asking logic. What is the conditions you will implement to check leap year?
I think divided by 4, not divided by 100 and divided by 4000, I think.
4000 or 400?
400.
Okay. Python supports switch statement?
No.
What is the alternative of switch
If
statement?
else statement.
Without if else we can implement conditional statement in Python without using if else.
That operator in one ternary operator.
Yes. Using ternary operators we can implement.
Yes.
Their answer is that. Ternary operators is used to implement the conditional statement without using if
If
else.
else statement.
Okay. What is the base class of exception in Python?
Exception.
Yes. Exception itself.
Yes.
Tell the name of any predefined exceptions.
Zero division exception, file out of bound exception, IO exception.
File out of bound exception. This is type of any exceptions.
No, sir. Zero division error and value out of index and IO error, input error, keyword error.
Indentation error also.
Yes, sir.
What is the indentation in Python?
Indentation to maintain how to write first block, then second block to maintaining the indentation to understanding.
What is the pass keyword in Python?
Pass keyword in other language C and other language there is a empty curly bracket, but there is a no mechanism in Python. If we want to be define some empty block, then we use pass keyword.
Okay. What is the single triple quotation meanings in Python?
For a string.
Single triple quote. 3 times single quote. Where I will prefer it. Suppose that you are writing the statement single quote 3 times in initial, single quote 3 times in and. Then what is the meaning of it?
Constructor.
Single quote, do you know double quote for a string? Single quote 3 times.
4 comments, sir.
Yes. Which type of comments?
Sir, more than one line comment. Because one line
Multi-line comments.
Multi-line
Yes,
comment. Yes, sir.
I want to print single triple quote. Hello, single triple quote. Then what you will do?
Print in output string.
Yes.
Doc string. By using dot string, we can print in a dot.
Without any using any predefined method, I want to just print single triple quote, hello single triple quote. What is the logic behind this? Okay. How many questions I have asked to you during interviews? You not complete. How many questions is correct?
I think 10 correct.
Okay. Yeah.